The fastest way to make money in day trading is scalping. Scalping is a super short-term trading strategy where you open and close dozens or even hundreds of trades in a single day. Each trade lasts from a few seconds to a maximum of a few minutes. The idea is simple. You try to capture very small price movements, often just a few cents or pips. And you make money by doing this many times throughout the day. Small profits multiplied by high frequency. To have any real chance, you need starting capital, because small accounts get eaten by fees. A professional broker with very low commissions and fast execution. Fast charts, reliable setup, and hundreds of hours of demo practice. And extremely strict risk management. Maximum 1% per trade. Honest advice, for most people, scalping is not the smartest way to make money. You will get much better results with long-term investing in ETFs, but this is boring. And scalping is exciting, that's why people do it. And remember this, trading involves high risk of losing money, and this is not financial advice. Comment below, have you tried scalping? Like and subscribe for more trading videos. Trade smart. Thank you for watching.